Jade is the primary hard stone of Chinese sculpture. Jade was prized for its hardness, durability, musical qualities, and beauty. The importance of jade stone in Chinese culture is reflected in its status as a symbol of goodness, preciousness, and beauty. To the Chinese, jade stone is also the embodiment of the Confucian virtues of courage, wisdom, modesty, justice, and compassion. It was believed to be a medium to connect heaven and earth in rituals and also ward off evil. The most common color for jadeite is a pale green. However, the most valuable jade is the emerald green imperial jade. To Chinese, the dragons symbolize potent and auspicious powers, particularly control over water, rainfall, typhoons, and floods. The dragon is also a symbol of power, strength, and good luck for people who are worthy of it in East Asian culture. Thank you for watching and wish you a good day.